Hi guys, this is my 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I already told you that I'm not satisfied with its reliability, comfort and off-road abilities. But today let's talk about much more important thing. About a week ago I decided to check tires condition that I bought about a year ago, even maybe 7 months ago. It was November of 2023. It is not obvious from the very beginning, but here you can see that the front tires on the sides are very worn out. To compare, this is the condition of the rear tires. One more time, it is 2023 Pirelli tires, which quality is quite okay. The mileage on them is about 9–10,000 kilometers, so they shouldn't be worn out. And I know that it is all about driving style, but I don't have such a situation with any of my cars. So what would you do in such situation? Of course, first of all, check wheels alignment. And I did it, and there were no problems. And also what I noticed that front right and front left wheel are worn out absolutely symmetrical. So I went to the internet to search for the possible problem that can cause such a worn out. And what I found really shocked me. This is a very old video of tests when the car was new and Swedish experts making moose tests of Jeep Grand Cherokee. And as you can see, it is extremely unstable. And just have a look what it can do with tires. The link to the full video is in description, and if you consider buying Jeep Grand Cherokee, please watch this video very carefully and think once again. Because if I watched this video before buying the car, of course, I wouldn't go for it. But this situation with my Jeep Grand Cherokee brings us to much more important and maybe general question. When was the last time you checked a moose test before buying some car? If you ask me, probably the answer is never. And where do we get some opinion about a car we want to buy? Usually we watch some test drives and also have a short test drive ourselves before buying. And during these test drives we don't see the car in any condition close to some critical ones. Based on my experience with this Jeep Grand Cherokee, and let's be honest, a mistake, you will never notice that this car is not safe in critical condition. Because in this video I showed you before, they also tested Volvo XC90 as a reference car, and there were no problems with Volvo during the moose test.
The moose test excellent in 69 to 70 kilometers per hour.
But if you drive Jeep Grand Cherokee and after it Volvo XC90, you would for sure make a conclusion that Jeep is much better in handling. So guys, now we have one more critically important thing we need to check before buying a used car. But I believe also now we need to check crash tests. The thing is, they became extremely boring even for car enthusiasts, because starting from maybe middle 2000s, all good cars had 5 stars ratings without any problems. But now, to be honest, I'm sure that if we watch 20 years of crash tests, we will find some cars that would surprise us by being unsafe. As for Jeep Grand Cherokee, I highly recommend you to avoid this car. But if you still want to buy one, I have one for sale. Please press the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, and I hope you will enjoy them as well.